Hello! We're going to begin this 10-minute core workout, beginning in child's pose. Just focusing on your breath, release any tension in your back, your arms. You're going to come up onto your hands and knees into cat-cow position to warm up your core. Arch your back and looking down like a cat, and then looking up, arching your back the other way like a cow. This just helps warm up your core before working it out. We're going to begin by going on your elbows into a plank position. We're going to hold it for 15 seconds. If this is too difficult for you, you can stay on your knees. The modification is in the top left corner. Staying in plank position, we're going to do 30 seconds of hip dips. Just rocking your hips side to side. If this is too challenging, you can do it on your knees. "30 seconds is up, and stay in plank position for 15 seconds. You can come down to your knees and release back into child's pose. Come back into plank, this time on your hands. We're going to do mountain climbers. Bring one knee to your hands and switch. If this is too challenging, you can bring your knee forward and tap. Okay, 60 seconds is up. Push back into downward facing dog and stretch out your shoulders. Looking up, jump to the top of your mat and roll up. We're now going to be doing standing mountain climbers. So bring one knee up and your elbow down to meet, and then you switch, jumping side to side. If it's too challenging, you can just do it stepping without the hop. Time's up. Bring your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your chest. Breathe in, bring your arms up again. Exhale, bring your arms down. We're going to step to the back of our mat now. We're going to do what I like to call caterpillars. Breathe in, bring your arms up, and you're going to roll down into a plank position. You're going to roll back up and roll down. We're going to do this 8 times total. If it's too challenging, you can roll down onto your knees instead of into a full plank. On your last one, you're going to come down onto your knees and come over onto your mat into a sitting position. Actually, you're going to come onto your back into a laying down position. Put your feet under your knees. You're going to do 20 hip thrusts. We will now do 30 seconds of bicycle twists. The modification for this one is just keeping your feet on the ground, alternating, bringing them up to your elbows. We're going to repeat this again, doing the 20 hip thrusts, followed by the 30 seconds of bicycle twists. Begin the bicycle twists. Rest for a second and then we're back into our last round of the hip thrusts. Begin your last round of bicycle twists. This is your last exercise of the workout, so put everything you have into this exercise. And rest. Woohoo! You finished 10 minutes of an intense core workout. Put your arms over your head and stretch. You can roll over onto your belly if you want and push up into upward facing dog for an even deeper abdominal stretch. Briefly push back into child's pose, and then come onto your mat into a sitting position with your legs crossed. Breathe in, bring your arms up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart. Inhale, arms up again. Exhale, bring your hands to your third eye chakra, your forehead, and bow down to your heart.